Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to set due dates in Microsoft Plan, but before I continue, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So to set due dates in Microsoft Plan, head over to your plans on the left side bar, click on the desired plan, and head over to grid. For example, select this task me today, click on the three dots here, and you can just make this task complete. The task code added to my day. But here, let's create a new task. So back to the plane, add a new task, press 2 for example, and we just click on the start date. For example, 15th of May, and due date is the 16th, and here you can select the due date. And you can set the status of this task in progress or complete. If it can't, you can also add the priority and label here. Yeah, this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.